What the heck is up, y'all? How the heck are y'all doing? This is Rocky Top Off-Road back here today. We're here on the repo shop. It's kind of a little farm, but anyway, we got this old come and swap Ford out here. And y'all, I got kind of a, well, y'all probably remember this thing from a few videos back. It's a, well, I'll let y'all see it here in a second. Y'all probably just caught a glimpse of it. Let me walk over there. Just checking this truck out. We hadn't had it out in a while, but here's our little 400EX. Y'all might remember that from about a month ago or so. We're gonna be taking that thing to the track and ripping on it today. Okay, y'all. That just happened. I just got it back up, fixed up, loaded up. It didn't leak too much gas out. But let's jump in the truck and head down the road. Boy, it's been so long since I had this truck out. It's probably been 2 months. But it's good to hear that old Cummins roar again, man. I'll tell y'all what. I'm excited to rip on this little 400EX. I did just rebuild it the other day, so, because I didn't say nothing about it in the video, but it was, when I got it back home from riding it about a month ago, it was smoking and knocking a little bit, so I went ahead and did a full engine rebuild on it. So I ain't gonna rip it too hard for a little bit. I've been riding it around the house some, but it shouldn't take too much longer to break it in. We'll see. I'm just gonna take it down the road here. And I'll probably go ahead and cut the camera off here in a minute and just see y'all when we get there. I don't know. Yeah, I guess I better go ahead and cut it off. I'll see y'all when we get there. Alright, y'all, so we took some old country roads back here. I did not notice that drop off. But I've heard a lot of good things about this track. We're just getting ready for a race coming up here in a week or so. So I'm gonna jump on this thing. We're gonna take it for a little ripski. Oh, this is a good looking little four-wheeler. Got all camo on from I was duck hunting this morning, just didn't feel like changing. Got back and started recording. Yee. This thing handles jumps like it ain't nothing. Might look like I'm sending it hard. I ain't sending it that hard. But just gonna let it break in. And I think I went the wrong way. I'm glad I'm the only one at the track right now. It is like 6:30 in the morning now. Ooh, nope, came up short. I'm definitely going the wrong way. Yeah, there's no way I'm going the right way. So let's get up here and I'm gonna turn around. This is an awesome little track though. Let's turn around right here. Three, 2, 1, go. I said go. There we go. Didn't clutch it right, killed it. That's all good. Keep percenting. I'll tell y'all what, this thing takes berms, corners, jumps. It takes them perfect. Like, I couldn't ask this thing to do any better. Especially since I'm just breaking it in and not ripping it too terribly hard. I think it has like probably about 10 minutes left, and then might not even be that long. I'll check it in a second. Alright, yeah, it's I just kind of glanced at it on that jump. It's pretty much broke in now, so we can start ripping it a little harder. tell y'all what, this drone I got that follows the foiler, it does a pretty good job of capturing like the film and stuff. It's pretty good. Might throw it on the helmet GoPro here in a minute, or the hat GoPro. I guess I'm wearing a hat right now. Probably not too smart, but I'll throw it on the helmet GoPro. It's just called. So, oh, this thing just rips. Oh, girl just rips, y'all. Look at that. Right. 400X. Yes, sir. Burn there. Play the light burn right there. Yeet. I kind of messed that up a little bit. That's okay. I could rip at this track all that blame day. This is fun. The suspension, it's soft, but it gives you such an easy ride. Do a little first person action. Hey, I thought y'all throw it on the GoPro. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's taking that good. Let's just keep sending. I'll probably have to cut the camera off in a minute. If I filmed the whole time I was up here, it'd probably be like a 10-hour long video. Oh, this thing is real slow, y'all. Dang. Alright, y'all. Well, I'm gonna pull off, get me something to drink. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the camera off. I hope y'all enjoyed that video. It was a lot of fun. Thank you. Move the trailer. Anyway, hey, I just want to thank y'all to all my new subscribers, old subscribers. Thank y'all. It means a lot. And so, I want to thank y'all for that. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the camera off here. I hope y'all have a great rest of your day. Bye for now.